In this video, I will show you how to delete your OKX wallet or account. So first of all, open your OKX Wallet app. And if you aren't started yet on OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus up to $50 in free crypto. Anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on the top left icon from our home screen. And from here, we're going to the profile section at the top right. And in here, we're going to select the account that we want to delete. So right now I'm going over to my main account where I'm already in. So I'm going to click on this. And right now I'm going to click on Profile and Settings. And from the Security tab, you're going to scroll all the way down. And there you will see Close Account. So if you want to delete your account, you're basically going to click on Close Account. And then it will ask you to freeze instead, because freezing is temporary and deleting/closing is permanent. So if you're sure that you want to delete your account permanently, then you can click on Continue to Close. And after that, you will need to go through some extra steps and then your account will be deleted. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.